Prop Nuggets celebrates 11 years. Want to talk about March Madness? Let's talk about the $30,000 anniversary car and cash giveaway. Saturday, March 31st, be the lucky winner of a 2011 Chrysler 200. Entries have never been easier to earn with the over $8,000 in hot seat free play drawings every Monday and Tuesday, or Saturday, March 24th, $111 in free slot play winners every 10 minutes from 4 to 8. Come celebrate 11 great years with us at the Prop Nugget Hotel and Casino.
Here at the Nye County Courthouse on Basin Avenue inside the Ian Deutsch Government Complex, we attended the drug court program on Monday to find out about this program and spoke to Judge Kim Wanker about what has been put in place to help people lose the grip of drugs and alcohol.
We have the Prompt Adult Drug Court program is for folks who have a problem with drugs. They can volunteer in, they can be ordered in by various judges, and it's a program, it's an alternative, really, to help folks get cleaned up and straightened up.
Judge Lane started this, I believe, in 2002. You've taken it over since then. What does the program actually consist of?
Well, you're involved in the program 1 to 3 years. That's the length of the program. What we do here is it consists of counseling. It consists of attending meetings. It consists of, before you graduate, you're going to have a job. You're going to have your GED or your high school diploma. You are going to have a driver's license. Basically, it's putting structure back in these folks' lives. And 75% of the people who graduate from our drug court will never see the inside of a courtroom again. And that's the greatest accomplishment. Truly, they are people who've made poor choices. And as a result of the drugs, they've either been have been charged with drug offenses. Perhaps they're offenses that they were charged with as a result of their drug use, burglary, things such as that. So it's really people who've made poor choices. We don't allow violent offenders in of any sort. We do not allow any, of course, anybody who has any type of sex offense in their background. We're careful with regard to that, but we're really trying to help people get their lives back in order. Some people don't belong in prison. Some people need to be rehabilitated.
This is really, we have strict guidelines for the drug court program that they have to adhere to. Every single week or every other week, they have to come back here and report.
They do. They work in the beginning, they come back every week. And then they graduate to phase 2, they come back every 2 weeks. And then they're in phase 3, they come back every 3 weeks. And then at the end of phase 3, if they've met all the requirements of the program, they're going to graduate.
This is really something that that is a special thing that they get. That is not. They're honored to go to the drug court program instead of going to jail. Do you let everybody who asks for the drug court program in?
No, we do not. One of the things that we do is we ask why you want to come to drug court. Some people think, drug court is going to be simple. I'm telling you, sometimes I think it might be easier to go to prison. They have structure. If you don't have a job, you do 20 hours of community service every week. You do minimum counseling, both group and individual counseling. You do AA or NA meetings. So it's not a walk in the park, something simple. They have a curfew. We have curfew checks. We really put some structure back into their lives. And I'm always so proud of everyone. Today we had someone who graduated who excels working in that structure.